Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set data path in TallyPrime. For that, once you open the TallyPrime, this is the first screen. Actually, this is the default location E tally data. If you want to change your data location, go to data, then there is a button data path. Select the data path, then here company data path. Press enter. Select here, you can, there is a two option, you can select from the drop down list, otherwise direct copy and paste your data location. So here I am going to select that location. How, there is a button up, select the up button, then again press the up. The entire drive is showing here. Actually in my PC there is a C, D and E drive, then another one is desktop and document. So I am going to set data path from my E drive. So I am going to open this E drive. Then here there is a one folder, tally data, this folder. Then press enter, again enter. So here you can see this is the path, company data path E tally data. Then in the same way you can set your data backup location also. Go to company backup path, here C drive. If you want to save data backup in C drive, select the C, otherwise go to up, then select any other drive D, then select tally data backup, then enter and enter. So here you can see this is your company data path E tally data, this is your backup path D tally data backup. Again press escape, then in the list you can see this is the path E tally data, this is your company. There is another option, you can select your data here. In this way you can open data for temporary, it's not saved in your permanent data location. For temporary purpose you can use this one. In this way, select from drive, go then D tally 6.6.3, this is the path, then select the data. Here all the companies listed here. Actually once you can open this company, so I am going to open this company. This company is open, then again escape, close it. Once again I am going to open the TallyPrime. Here you can see the data path will be previous one. That means which path we already set in the configuration, that path is showing here. Okay. In this way you can set your tally data location path. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for getting free videos.